The new 2025 Ford Bronco Sport Badlands brings new tech and off-road capabilities to the compact crossover space. Is this the one you've been waiting for? We have a closer look right now. To learn more about other options and features, visit AutoNationDrive.com. Click New Cars, Research, and then select Ford. We make it easy to find what you want fast. The Ford Bronco Sport blurs the line between daily driver and weekend warrior. On one hand, it's easy to drive and gets great fuel economy. On the other, it has standard body armor and advanced off-road modes to help it tackle almost any terrain. Under the hood of the Bronco Sport Badlands is a top-spec 2-liter turbocharged motor. This produces a peak 250 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of torque. Power goes to all four wheels using an advanced all-wheel drive system with a twin-clutch rear-drive unit and multiple drive modes. New for 2025 are rally and off-road modes, which optimize power delivery and traction control for spirited off-road action. Rock crawl mode is now enhanced with a single pedal drive mode, which allows for a new level of control when tackling challenging off-road conditions. For 2025, the Bronco Sport Badlands also gets a new interior and updated exterior styling. And it's not all for looks. Up front is a metal bumper cover with usable recovery loops. This covers not only the nose but extends all the way past the engine, giving this vehicle excellent underbody protection. Off-road tuned Haas 2.0 suspension keeps things under control, while all-terrain tires provide grip in a variety of surfaces. Standard ground clearance is 8.1 inches. A Class 2 hitch with a 4-pin connector is included. Towing is limited to 2,700 pounds. In the back, you can open either the glass or the door. At night, you can illuminate your workspace with the included positionable lighting. Under the rigid floor is a full-size spare tire. Fold the seats down for a completely flat cargo area. The Bronco Sport Badlands even has a built-in inverter for 400 watts of AC power. Second-row passengers get vents along with AC and USB-C power. The cabin is loaded with the latest in automotive tech. The gauge cluster is a nicely designed digital screen with a variety of views and modes. The infotainment system now integrates everything into a large 13.1-inch widescreen display running Sync 4. Icons for climate control along with seat and steering wheel warmers are on the bottom part. The main section handles vehicle configuration and XM radio along with your choice of wireless Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Built-in maps and premium sound can be added with a tech package upgrade. And driving is where this vehicle really shines. The peppy engine combined with the grip of all-wheel drive makes this a joy to drive on the street. Engage the adaptive cruise control and eat up the miles without fatigue. It even includes a full surround view camera system with parking sonars to help navigate tight spots. On the trail, this same camera system provides an excellent trail view. Switch into off-road mode and you can then lock both the center and rear clutch units for excellent power distribution, transforming this hot hatch into an off-road master. Proving that, yes, this Bronco Sport is the best of both worlds. To learn more about the 2025 Bronco Sport Badlands, visit your local AutoNation Ford dealer today. Get started at AutoNationDrive.com.